pumping it. So this is the mercury. I've made the mercury ball. So I've got the amount of mercury, right there is how much I want in it. And I take my blow hose and I blow it in just to the ball. If you blow it any further, then you got problems. Okay, now we are going to hook up the unit to the manifold here. So what I'm going to do is heat this up and bring it up to here. So then you want this one a little higher than this one, so that when you, actually I need to make this cut this way here, show you how to do this. So what you do, so I'm using tweezers, cold steel. So what you do is you heat this up to where it will move. So it's falling. See, it moves. So you let that cool for a second. You take your tweezers, you put it right on there, and you squeeze and turn, and it'll come right off. Well, it's sealed. Just let her set right there. And this is 25,000 volts in these wires. Okay, I'm going to move it back. We're going to bombard this now. We're going to turn the pump on. Just so you can see what I'm doing. We're going to close the blow hose valve. And we're going to open this. I call this my secondary vacuum main valve. Secondary valve. Okay. And this is the oil, so you'll see it rise right here, and it's pulling down. Okay. Put you back here. Now we're going to close the main valve, vacuum valve. We're going to bump it. Yep, it's lit, so we're going to keep her lit up. Okay, then we're going to let it pull some vacuum, some more vacuum. We heated the air up a little bit, so it'll pull a little bit more out. So then we're going to backfill. Put you right over here. We're going to backfill with natural gas. So we turn the vacuum off. Now you're going to watch this gauge right here. Hopefully it's in screen. I can't see it. So just raise it up a little bit. Now we're going to give it a bump. Okay. That's got natural gas in it. We use that for a flushing gas. And with that gas in there, I don't need, as long as I have that a little bit of that gas in there, I don't need my mica. But this is mica, which is a mineral. Might as well leave that open and pull some more, which is a mineral. And you put that in between where the tubes are pretty close, so that high voltage won't arc between the tubes, and if it does, it pops a hole. But I'm confident in my ability, where I don't use a lot of mica all the time. Okay, so now we're going to backfill again with some more natural gas. Okay, I'm going to hit it. Here we go. So you probably can see it smoking. So it's getting the glass hot. It's going to burn that piece of paper. And the electrodes are getting red. I'm going to give it a shot of vacuum. See all that smoke from the paint? It's going straight up. I'm not breathing it. Okay. Paper's burnt. Electrodes are red. You leave the main valve open and you walk away.